members of employers please to the registration desk.
Can you hear me, boys?
Good!
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Pitch one, pitch one.
Get down! Get down!
One more. Ruben! Oh, you've got to fight to go get to the floor there, buddy. Jump in front row. Oh, shit, you got it.
Number 3 waiting for you to start.
Hey, hey, hey! Subs, he's a rolling sub, so that she can make as many subs as well. Right. Come on, Charlie.
What is that for?
Charlie, what's the matter?
All right.
4 and a 3!
Are you come over here and set it back there, yeah?
Carrying 3 and welcome now. Extra straight to pitch number 3, please.
What's he got to get up 4 and a 3? No, I think all the kids are going to train up in between the gaps. Right, look at this, Charles. Look at this, Charles. Good support, Ruben. Good support him. Lucas, come on. Lucas, support to this.
Are you one-sided, this one? Very one-sided.
Bydd y diwrnod nesaf yn cychwyn am 20 munud
against Ben
na
Ross.
10. The next game will commence at 20 to 11. Gofynnon i chi fod yn barod wrth y cael y gwella. Os please can you be ready at the pitch side. Chwarae nesaf a cael i pitch number 1. Bydd Bro Merthin yn erbyn Bryn Celynnog. A'r cael i 2 pitch number 2. Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn Cefn Saeson. Cael i 3 pitch number 3. Aberdaugleddau yn erbyn Dyffryn Tad. Cael i 4 pitch number 4. Ysgol Uwchraig Caerdydd yn erbyn Dyffryn Aman.
Get the ball out, let's get the ball, it's our ball.
Scrum lads, all you can have
Two
a
of
line
you
out, up
just
here.
run away from the ball.
Come on, line out.
A chwarae nesaf a cael i pitch number 5. Bro Cilion yn erbyn Fontfaen. Cael i 3
Numbers, sir.
number 6. Bro Eder yn erbyn Gwendy Coed. Cael i 5 pitch number 7. Celyn yn erbyn Eastern. Cael i 8 pitch number 8. Llanbynwy yn erbyn Aberifon.
One of them. The tackle, Ruben. Up. Good. Forward to work.
Boys. What have you got to make him? What have you got?
Right, click us off. And you can hold you on the training now. Yeah. Alex go on, Nick's go on. We'll take Ben Owen off and we'll take Lucas off. Go on, next boy.
Right? You drink anything? Nah. No, you drink? Hey, Nashi!
Come on, boys. Hard, isn't it? Hard.
Bed boy.
Scrum, huh? Scrum.
It's not the best. Right, let's do it.
It's the same for both sides. Isn't it? The ball is slippery for both sides.
Look, no, look at that. We need to spread out.
Everyone's running around the unit, doesn't it?
They used to 15 side, that's why. Oh.
What, twice? Twice you've been straight in. Well done. You've been beat at 2 penalties after. You haven't come to either. Don't bowl me, you never come. I don't care what you've done. You haven't come training. Start the other game.
Felly ni gael ysgol Bryn i cael gwyn ar unwaith os gwelwch yn dda. Bryn to pitch 10 please.
Kick off. That kick off one. Out!
Give it! Give it! Give it!
Oh.
Give it! Give it! We're just running. They said a pass.
Yeah, my next up, pitch 1. Bro Marvin, Bryn Calernog.
Look at them, they perfectly lined up. Two people.
Pitch 9, Bro Ganog, 10th season.
Come on, sprint! Sprint!
Pitch 3, Abertawe Gleddau, Milford Haven, Cardiff West. Pitch 4, Uwchran Caerdydd, Dyffryn Aman.
Sneaky. Right. Yeah.
Pitch 5,
Where are you today?
Bryn Tirion, Portsmouth, Cowbridge.
Oh, Alex, is it? Yeah. Tomorrow. 11 o'clock. Oh, Max, have a go.
Kyle Cliff, pitch number 6. Bro Eder, and Edwin Gwyn, Coy. Kyle Price, pitch number 7.
Well done, Charlie!
And Edwin.
And again! You scored it, Lewis!
Out, go on, Hicks, have a go. Ready? Have a go.
Kyle Price, pitch number 8.
Ruben, get out!
Tanganui and Edwin
Go!
Allingham.
Go! Out!
Kyle
Go now!
pitch number 9. Goyer and Edwin Barnmouth.
Good tackle.
Yes, well done! Take it, take it, tackle! Go on, Charlie!
Oh,
Pass it! Pass one! Straight! 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 Go, straight! Straight! Out! Over! Over! Right! What's up? Pick it up! Who's Max who's running? As long as we don't move. Look, get out to Nick. Yeah. Get it out to Nick! Get it out! Get it to Nick! Who's hucking that? Okay, I don't have a hook. No, yeah, we don't have one. Who's, yeah, but who is? Because no one's out. Oh, Alex is. Ruben just went. Oh my god. Ruben just went. Oh, we let him go. Just yours in there. Actually, Ruben's just going like. Ruben's one good tackle. It was like that. Yeah, it was on them like.
Bryn Calernog, Kyle, Venus Bosna, Bryn Calernog, 50 pitch at number 1, please.
What I did.